Popular technical indicators. The stock market can seem like a complex and ever-changing beast. But fear not, intrepid investor. Technical analysis equips you with tools to navigate this landscape. Today, we'll delve into 10 popular technical indicators that can shed light on price trends and potential opportunities. 1. Moving averages, MA smoothing out the ride. Imagine a bumpy road representing stock prices. Moving averages, MAs, are like a moving average speed. They smooth out the short-term fluctuations, revealing the underlying trend. Simple MAs, SMAs, take the average price over a set period. Exponential MAs, EMAs, put more weight on recent prices, making them more responsive to new information. 2. Moving average convergence divergence, MACD identifying turning points. The MACD is like a two-line moving average party. It uses the difference between a short-term and a long-term MA to spot potential trend reversals. When the lines converge, come together, it might signal a slowdown in momentum. When the MACD line, derived from the MAs, diverges, moves away from the signal line, it could indicate a trend shift. 3. Relative Strength Index, RSI overbought or oversold. The RSI is like a gauge for market sentiment. It measures the magnitude of recent price changes to see if a stock is overbought, potentially due for a price drop, or oversold, ripe for a potential rebound. Imagine a crowded elevator. An RSI above 70 suggests a similarly crowded market, while a value below 30 might indicate an empty one. 4. Bollinger Bands, the price volatility squeeze. Bollinger Bands are like elastic bands wrapped around a moving average. They expand and contract to depict price volatility. Narrowing bands suggest a potential price breakout, while widening bands indicate increased volatility. Imagine a tightening rubber band, it's about to snap. Conversely, a looser band signifies more price wiggle room. 5. Fibonacci retracements, nature's guiding ratios. Fibonacci retracements tap into the power of the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers found throughout nature. They identify potential support and resistance levels following a price move. Imagine climbing a mountain. Retracements pinpoint rest stops along the way, where prices might pause or reverse before continuing the ascent or descent. 6. Stochastic oscillator, finding extremes. The stochastic oscillator resembles a seesaw, reflecting the relationship between a stock's closing price and its recent trading range. It helps identify overbought and oversold conditions. Imagine the seesaw at a park. A reading above 80 suggests one side is overloaded, potentially overbought, while a value below 20 indicates the other side is empty, potentially oversold. 7. Commodity Channel Index, CCI, a statistical take on price. The CCI is like a referee comparing the current price to a typical price range. It uses statistical measures to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Imagine a boxing match. The CCI analyzes if a stock has been trading in unusually high or low territory compared to its historical performance. 8. Volume, the telling tale of trades. Volume is a straightforward indicator. It measures the number of shares traded in a security during a specific period. While not directly predicting price movements, volume can confirm trends identified by other indicators. High volume alongside a rising price suggests strong buying pressure, while low volume might indicate a less convincing move. 9. On balance volume, OBV, tracking accumulation or distribution. The OBV is like a detective keeping track of buying and selling activity. It assigns a buying or selling volume based on the closing price relative to the previous day's close. Rising OBV suggests accumulation, potential buying pressure, while falling OBV indicates distribution, potential selling pressure. 10 Average Directional Index, ADX is the trend strong. The ADX isn't about direction, but about strength. It measures the intensity of a trend, regardless of up or down. Imagine a weather vane. A high ADX reading signifies a strong wind trend, while a low ADX suggests a gentle breeze, weak trend. Conclusion. Remember, technical indicators are tools, not crystal balls. Use them alongside other analysis forms and sound judgment for informed investment decisions. Happy trading!